Hi guys, welcome back to Lennox Bennett channel. Today we're going to be looking at some factorization. All right, let's go. The first one says 5x plus 8x minus 4. Now this one we're going to use the factor method. So we're going to find two numbers. When we multiply them, we get AC, and when we add them, we get B. So let's multiply 5x squared times minus 4. That will equal to minus 20x squared. So what we need to do is list the factors of 20. 1 times 20, 2 times 10, 4 times 5, right? So which of these pair can give you 8x when you manipulate them? Clearly, we can see that it's 2x and 10x. All right, the next thing we need to determine which is positive. Now, the fact that this is positive, it means that the bigger term should be positive. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna say 5x. I think this that's something I can tick kind of 5x squared plus 10x minus 2x minus 4. Wrap it off. All right. Next, we take out the highest common factor, and that will be 5. Of course, x is common, and then we can divide 5x into 5x squared would leave x. 5x into 10x would leave a positive 2. Put our minus. So what's the highest common factor here? 2. And of course, 2 into negative 2 into negative 2 leave positive 1. And negative 2 into negative 4 leave positive 2. So already we can start seeing our answer. Take out what's common. Here we have x plus 2. And what's outside, which is here, 5x minus 2. And that is our answer. So that's our answer for the first one. This one is what we call a difference of two square. So what number multiplied by itself give you the x squared, and that is x. So we put on either side. What number multiplied by itself give you 100? Correct. I heard somebody say 10. Good job, good job. So yeah, x plus 1 should be minus and 1 should be plus. Similarly, I want you guys to leave this one in the comment section. This is a difference of 2 squared. What will be the answer for this? 81b squared minus 36. Leave this one in the comment. All right, let's do another one. Let's go. All right, so here we have 4a squared plus 16a plus 16. How I'm going to approach is I'm going to factor out the 4 because it seems like 4 can go into all of them, right? A is not common to all, so I'm just going to take out the 4 alone. 4 into this leave a squared. 4 into 16a leave 4a. And 4 into 16 leave 4. So I'm going to factor the inside piece here. All right, so a squared, same thing I got with it up there. A squared times 4, that is going to give us 4a squared. This is the factors of 4, 1 times 4, and 2 times 2. So which one can give us the 4? 2 and 2, right? So I'm going to drop back the 4 here. So a squared plus 2a plus 2a plus 4. And we can factorize now. A is common, so that leave a plus 2. What's the highest common factor of 2 and 4? 2. So a plus 2. All right. Long story short, we get a plus 2 and a plus 2 for that in the bracket. So we can rewrite it as 4a. This can rewrite as a plus 2 squared because that's what really happening. And that is our answer. All right, let's move on. This one now, guys. Should I make you guys leave this one in the comment section? Yeah, guys, do that. Leave this one in the comment section. Let's see if we can do it. X squared minus 9x plus 20. All right, and here is my number if you want to join my awesome online class. And the name is Lennox Bennett. You guys should know that by now. It's 76. 5492161. The next one is out, not the out. So see you guys in another video. All right, let me do the solution. That was a trick. I want you guys to try. So we'll label it ABC. So it's x squared times 20. So we're going to get a positive 20x squared. This is the factors of 20. 1 times 20, 2 times 10, and 4 times 5. This one is a little bit tricky because in the middle we have minus and this is a plus. So it means when you multiply them, we're supposed to get positive, right? Only two negative can multiply to give you negative apart, positive apart from two positive. So it's either two positive or two negative numbers. We can establish that from this, right? However, we can establish that it's two negative because when we add them, we're supposed to get negative 9x. So both should be negative, and of course, it's 4 and 5. Everybody should realize that by now. So it's 4x minus 5x minus 20. Put our bracket. So take out our x, and of course, we have x into x into that leave minus 4. What's the highest common factor of 5 and 20? Definitely 5. Negative into negative x. Oh, this is supposed to be positive. I was wondering, negative into that leave negative, so this leave minus 4. Of course, our final part would have been x minus 4 and x minus 5. This always come in school challenge quiz. I like to give the students this to factorize. So if you're a part of a quiz team, that's definitely for you. All right, one more, guys. X squared plus 10x minus 11. I'm just going to go straight ahead and do this one. So, label it ABC, A times C. So it's x squared times minus 11, which is going to give us negative 11x squared. So when we multiply them, we get negative 11, but when we add them, we're supposed to get positive. So it look like the 11 times 1, that's the factor, right? Since it's a prime number. So which one should be positive? Because we have positive 10, it means that 11 must be positive, and of course, minus 1. So x squared plus 11x minus 1x, because that's going to give you the 10x, right? Makes sense. Put our bracket, x common, x into x leave x, x into 11, x leave 11. Oh, this is supposed to be 11. All right, and of course, minus 1. Negative 1 into negative 1, that leave x. Negative 1 into negative 11. Remember about this operations cancel properly. This is going to be 11. So we have x plus 11. Who do you reset? And x minus 1. Guys, I'm going to have a number already. Remember, no one wait for guys. One wait on the right thing. I'm out.